Tired of dull, lifeless hair that just won't shine, no matter what you try? In today's video, we're showing you a powerful DIY hair mask that deeply nourishes your strands, revives shine, and brings your hair back to life, naturally. To make this mask, you'll need 1 ripe banana, packed with potassium to soften hair, 1 tablespoon honey, a natural humectant that locks in moisture, 2 tablespoons yogurt. To add shine and combat dryness, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Deeply nourishing and smoothing, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. To soothe the scalp and boost hydration. In a clean bowl, mash the banana until completely smooth. Add honey, yogurt, coconut oil, and aloe vera gel. Mix everything together until you get a creamy, lump-free paste. Apply the mask to clean, damp hair, starting from your roots and working your way to the ends. Gently massage your scalp for 2 minutes to boost circulation. Wrap your hair in a warm towel and leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. Just 1 use and you'll notice softer, shinier, and healthier looking hair. Over time, this mask restores moisture balance and helps reduce split ends. Say goodbye to dullness, naturally and affordably, from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching. Drop it in the comments if you'll try this DIY mask. Stay tuned for more natural remedies right here on NatureFit.